Hello students, this is Mahima Gupta and this is the video for subject MS, okay? And in this video we are going to learn our chapter number 7 and the title is Importance of Sports and Sportsmanship. One quote is there, tennis taught me to take chances, to take life as it's come, okay? To hit every ball that comes to me no matter how hard it looks, to give it my best shot. This quotation was written by Thishuri Vanai Rachachi. Okay, she is a Sri Lankan author, we can say. Okay, so she is sharing her experiences with this quote. In this chapter, we are going to learn about the importance of various sports. Okay, basically, sports are divided into two categories. First one is indoor games, and the second one is outdoor games. In this corona lockdown, we can say we have a lot of time. Some of the students have spent their time in simply gossiping with their friends on phone, है ना, or on TV, or just lazing around on the bed, just like in this way. But the another way for using the time in a productive manner is is to listen good music, to watch knowledge channels, reading books, okay, learning clay making, dancing, playing some musical instrument, etc. These are the other ways with the help of which we can use our time wisely. So here, need for relaxation. What is the actual need of these sports? These sports are used for relaxing our body, okay? Because of the hectic schedule of tuitions, homework, assignment, exams, etc. These activities create a lot of stress in the mind of the people. So for distressing ourselves and for freeing ourselves from the hectic environment, we used to play various games. Okay, so games and sports. Games and sports are devised and promoted by mankind. Okay, they are socially promoted and categorized into two categories. First one is indoor, and the next one is outdoor games. Now, what are indoor games? These games are the one which we use to play inside a building and home, etc. Okay, and the names of such games are chess, carom, table tennis, video games, etc. These games also gave us a chance to spend time with friends and even make new friends. With the help of these games, we can make new friends also, है ना? Online also, or many of around us also. Okay. Next category is outdoor games and sports. Outdoor games can be played on a lawn, field, ground, and these games require a lot of physical activity and a large area also. Some examples are swimming, cycling, athletics, aerobics, jogging, gymnastics, etc. Okay, and they usually played in a team. Okay, with a team. Understood? These are the picture of some outdoor games. First one is football. It is an outdoor game, and the next one is a indoor game. Okay. Now, what is the importance of outdoor games? Okay, especially we are going to talk about the outdoor games. Although indoor games allow us to pass time, relax, and make friends, we don't get to exercise, okay? Or we can say sweat out. We don't feel any physical pressure on our body. But outdoor game, on the other hand, provides us an opportunity to make new friends, de-stress, and improve physical fitness as well. That is why the importance of outdoor game is much higher than the indoor games. Because with the help of outdoor games, we came to make new friends and distress our body with physical fitness also. Understood? Now, what are the advantages of sports and games? So these are the various points for understanding these terms. Okay. The first one is build teamwork. It is the very important part of a game, of a sport. How? Team games or collective sports, we can say, give us an opportunity to play as a team and fight for the same goal. We can't achieve success only by our own, okay? We have to take help with someone else. We have to learn from other. We have to learn how to work in a team, in a group, with the same objective. These things can be learned with the help of sports. Okay. Next point is good for health. As sports helps us in moving. Okay. They result in sweat out. These things keep us healthy. Okay, and physically fit because they require a lot of effort. Okay, next one is relaxing. A sports or a game is always very refreshing. It create you can say it bring new energy inside our body. So in this way it help in relaxing the body. So during exam also, it gives a good idea to play something, even if it is for just half an hour or for 15 minutes. But this will give a refreshing feeling. Next one is make us socially active. When we uh, play any sports, okay, then we used to meet with members of other team also, है ना? And we interact with the members of our team also, with the players, with the various players. In this way we interact with the various players. In this way we make new friend. So these things make us socially active. Make us fighter. Yes, this is also a very important point of these sports. Sports infuse the fighting spirit in us. Okay, for example, if you fail in the first attempt, then you will try to achieve the best in the next one. Na? In this way, you learn to fight. This will help in the future also with fighting with our problems and for facing the various challenges. Okay. Last one is just fun. Yes. With the help of these sports, just like cricket, football, they are very interesting. Okay. So they create a lot of fun. The last topic is sports and developing social skills. Okay, when we play as a team, it gives us an opportunity to interact with people of different temperament. Means people of different quality, different nature, different characteristic. So in this way, we interact with the other people and learn many things from the other ones. With people coming from different background, there could be different behavior pattern. Okay, so in this way we learn to deal with the different kind of peoples. So these are the various importance of the sports. So we learn to adjust with all. Probably no other activity can offer us such opportunity to deal with friends with diverse habits and nature. So, with the help of sports and games, we learn to interact with people. We learn many, we can say, uh, socially active activities. Na? We learn to fight with the challenges and problems. We used to refresh ourselves. Na? And harmony is the great one. Harmony is also taught by the sports. So, this is the basic moral of this chapter. I hope you enjoyed the one. Okay, try to bring these thoughts in your life and try to adopt them in your life also, in your daily life. Okay, thank you.